I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to convert a PDF to an Excel file for free using the PDFgear application. Converting a PDF file to an Excel file can be useful for data extraction, editing and formatting data locked in a PDF, sorting and filtering data, importing that data into a database, and more. And to be clear, PDFgear is safe, free, and incredibly easy to use. I'll put a link that you can use to download PDFgear in the description and pinned comment associated with this video. Step 1. Download and install the PDFgear application on your computer if it's not installed already. Again, I'll put a link you can use to download PDFgear in the description and pinned comment for this video. You'll arrive at the PDFgear home screen. Step 2. Click All Tools at the top of this window. All of the individual features available in PDFgear are listed. Step 3. Click PDF to Excel. The associated screen is shown. Step 4. Click Add File. Step 5. Click to select the PDF file that you want to convert to a Microsoft Excel file, and then choose Open. That PDF file will be included in the list of files you want to convert. Step 6. Check the output path and validate that it's set to the destination you want to export your Excel file to. Step 7. Click Convert. A message will be displayed letting you know that the conversion was successful. Click the folder icon associated with that file to open the folder containing your outputted Microsoft Excel file. This is where you'll see your PDF files that have been converted to Microsoft Excel. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.